Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your Cash App account on every device. So let's get started right away. Now the Cash App application doesn't allow you to log in from multiple devices. However, if you suspect this is the case, then in order to log out from all devices, open up your Cash App application and then use your PIN or your biometrics to access your account. Now once you are taken inside your homepage, tap on your account icon at the top right corner, and then if you scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy, you will not find any option to log out from all devices. So in order to do this, you will need to change your Cash App PIN. Just tap on the Change Cash PIN option and you will be asked to enter your old PIN first. Just type in your old PIN and then you will be allowed to enter your new PIN. Type in your new PIN and type it in once again for confirmation, and now your PIN will successfully be changed. Once your PIN has been changed, the Cash App application will ask for your PIN on every other device right away. And since the other devices will not be able to provide the PIN, they will not be able to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your Cash App account on all devices. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.